Are you scared of cockroaches? I am, but not this kind of scared. Even if you aren't afraid of insects, I'm sure you wouldn't want things crawling around your home. A few years ago, I found a cockroach on my mom's bed. It later moved to the floor, and I killed it with a slipper. We never eat in the bedroom, so I'm not sure why there was a cockroach there. Since then, I've researched various ways to deal with them, looking for natural, effective, and safe methods. Thankfully, I haven't seen another cockroach in my home since. We do keep our windows and doors open, and we don't use mosquito nets. I'll explain this from two angles. A. Preventing cockroaches from entering your home. B. Eliminating cockroaches. I'll first share pet-safe methods since pet owners don't want their beloved animals to accidentally ingest toxic substances. So in part A, I won't mention insecticides with harmful chemicals. First, bay leaves. Available at most large supermarkets and spice stores. According to online articles, cockroaches hate the smell of bay leaves. You can place or stick them near windows, doors, and gaps. They can also be soaked in warm water or ground up to enhance their effect. The bay leaf infused water can then be sprayed along windows and exhaust fans. Then we have camphor wood. It comes in different shapes and sizes. I got mine from a roadside shop, but online stores also sell various types. Camphor wood is another natural cockroach repellent and can be placed near doors and windows. Laundry soap, especially this orange bar type. I always keep some on my windowsill, and you can also apply a small amount on exhaust vents or windows. These steps have been very effective for me. However, maintaining household hygiene is the most crucial aspect. Don't leave food crumbs all over the place when eating. Alright, part B, elimination. The first thing is cockroach bait. Yeah, I know you can make your own, but I'm too lazy. You obviously don't want to lure cockroaches into your home, so I usually place bait outside, near the garbage area or hallway. I keep only a small amount inside the apartment in case 1 or 2 cockroaches show up. For pet owners, be cautious when using open bait. Even semi-enclosed bait should be placed where pets can't reach. The iconic insecticide sprays and slippers. These are essential weapons against cockroaches. Some people opt for pet-friendly sprays like BioKill. I won't go into detail on how to use them, just react accordingly. If you have time to grab a mask, protective glasses, and turn on the exhaust fan, that's ideal, but usually the cockroach will escape before you can prepare. When using a slipper, pick a soft one and avoid hitting too hard, or the cockroach might explode with all kinds of juices. But don't hit too lightly either, or it might survive. I hope this video helps. Bye.